Welcome to Captivate AI Studio Training Video Series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add emoji to your video in Captivate AI Studio. Once you upload your video from local, your auto captions will be generated. Now you can add emoji to your video. Just click on the emoji icon. Choose the emoji of your choice for your captions. When you click on Save, your emoji will be added to your caption.
Might actually be buying. What do you think Twitter's going to be better off? I mean, this has been such a wild saga.
Yeah.
I'm really curious what you make of it.
I don't know. I think it's this is another one of these things that it's really unclear how it'll actually turn out. So it's obviously it's out there, and I think it's interesting as a saga, like you're saying, but I think even at this point, it's not actually clear what's going to happen.
Thanks for watching the video.